We can use Excel to solve for nonlinear equations, and that's quite nice for engineers because a lot of the engineering equations are nonlinear, so things like log and polynomials and irrational functions are all nonlinear, and we need some way of solving them. Sometimes it's very difficult to solve on a piece of paper an equation, or sometimes it's just downright impossible and we need some way of doing it numerically using a computer. So Solver is one way of doing it. MATLAB is another way, but for now we're going to use Solver, and Solver is found under the Data tab in Excel. So by default this will probably not be here, and we need to expose this shortcut. So the way that we do that is we go to File and then we go to Options. So this will bring up a new window, and under Add-ins there's a bottom drop down menu called Manage. Highlight Excel Add-ins, and then when you click Go it will open up another window with a whole bunch of checkboxes for extra add-ins or functionality that you can expose in Excel. So by default, the Solver add-in, which is what we want to use, is not exposed by default. This box is normally not checked, and we need to check it. So in this case, in this installation that I have, the Solver box is already checked because I've already added Solver. So make sure that this box is checked, and then when you press OK, if you go to the Data tab under your navigation window, you should see Solver under Analysis. If you click on Solver, it will bring up a window that is the Solver utility that helps you solve nonlinear equations. In the next few videos, I'll explain how to use this utility.